Hello, this is a video tour of number 41 Beechwood Road. The house has got 2 bedrooms and is a mid-terrace property. And before we head in, I just want to show you the road. So you do approach the house via a gated foregarden. You do have an original style wall there, and then you do have a gate leading through into the foregarden area where there is a blue brick paved pathway leading to the open canopy and the front door. There is also a gravel foregarden area with borders to the sides as well. Before we head in, you'll notice that there is a ceiling light point in the canopy area. There is an original style entrance door, and then you do have the hallway ahead. So in the hallway there is one ceiling light point with a ceiling rose, radiator, MINTON tile flooring. From the hallway there are doors into both reception rooms. Reception room number 1 is located at the front of the house. In this room you do have an original style bay window overlooking the foregarden. There is one ceiling light point with a ceiling rose, 2 wall mounted lights, picture rail and decorative coving. There is a radiator and there is also an original style fireplace with a tiled hearth. You'll notice that there are cupboards in here, so the cupboard directly ahead is accessed via the entrance door. And there is also another meter cupboard just ahead there. Reception room 2 is slightly larger. In this room you do have an original style door with windows over and to the side, which you can have access into the rear garden. In this room there is one ceiling light point, radiator, painted wood floor. There is also an original style fireplace with original surround with a tiled hearth. There are 2 radiators in this room. From this room there is a door into an inner lobby area. In the inner lobby there is one ceiling light point. There is door access to an understair cupboard where there is storage and a window to side aspect. There is also a plate shelf, picture rail. On the left there are stairs which do go up to the first floor living accommodation. And directly ahead there is a door leading through into the kitchen. In the kitchen there is a sash effect window to side aspect, a range of ceiling spotlights. The flooring is tile effect vinyl. There is a radiator and the kitchen suite has got a range of wall and base units with wood effect work surfaces over, an inset 1.5 bowl sink with mixer tap and drainer unit, under counter space and plumbing for washing machine and also fridge and freezers. You'll notice that there is a gas hob, electric oven, and there is a cooker hood above as well. From the kitchen there is a stable style door, and this does take you through into the rear garden. The rear garden is southerly facing and is really good in length, and there are a variety of mature shrubs out here as well. You can see that there is a decked seating area with steps down to a gravel area as well. The side return of the house offers a raised border. You can see the door ahead which does go through into the second reception room, and on the right hand side there is a gate taking you through to the shared side passageway. Ahead you can see there is a dwarf wall with steps up to a lawn area. Either side of the lawn there are a variety of borders and bedding areas. On the lawn there is also feature stepping stones which do go to the rear of the garden, past this hedgerow on the right, fencing on the left. There are 2 raised borders here. You can see there is also a brick laid seating area. On the right hand side there is a raised vegetable patch. Ahead there is a bark pathway leading through 2 further vegetable patches, and at the very rear there are 2 sheds. The first floor landing is approached via a turning stairwell from the inner lobby. You can see that there is an obscured window to side aspect. On the landing there is a range of ceiling spotlights, loft hatch access, and there is a radiator. A feature of the landing area is that there is also a study area. So there is a good space here to get desk. There is also plug sockets there as well, providing a workspace. The bedrooms are located at the front of the house. Bedroom 1 does have 2 windows to front aspect. Both we think are original. There is a ceiling light point with a rose, column radiator, and there is an original style cast iron fireplace in the chimney breast, which also has a quarry tile hearth. Bedroom number 2 is located in the middle of the house. In the room there is a window which does face the rear garden, and you'll notice that the window is sash effect, but it does open outwards. So here is the view of the garden. In the room there is a radiator, a light point. There is also an original cast iron fireplace in here, which similarly to the front room does also have a quarry tiled hearth in here. So again, nice size room in this room. So all of the room sizes are on our sales particulars for reference. The family bathroom is located just behind the office area. In the bathroom you do have a sash style window to rear aspect, ceiling spotlights. Ahead there is a panelled bath with wall mounted shower over with rainfall style shower head, and there is a glass screen. There is a pedestal wash hand basin, low level flush WC, and there is also a vertical column style radiator. Another feature in this room is that the original fireplace is in situ. The flooring in here is the same as in the kitchen, so it's tile effect vinyl. Now that does conclude the video tour for the house. If you are interested in arranging a viewing, please call the office on the telephone number provided, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.